We have a flood watch in effect tonight, and that's why the weather impact alert has been extended through early Tuesday morning. Not wanting to alarm anyone, we have the potential for some heavy rainfall overnight, and that could quickly lead to some flash flooding. So if you live in a flood-prone area, make sure you have ways to receive alerts overnight and plans to take action just in case flash flooding occurs in your area. San Angelo and Abilene not included in the flood watch. Tom Green and Taylor counties not included. Brown County, McCullough County, Mason County towards Crockett County, towards the south in the Hill Country and the Edwards Plateau, all included in that flood watch through 7 o'clock in the morning Tuesday. Just a little bit of rain right now in the Concho Valley near Rowena, southwest of Ballinger, between Miles and Olfen. That's really the only shower we're seeing across the area right now. Might see a little bit of some redevelopment tonight. This is paused Tuesday at 3 o'clock in the morning while most of us are going to be sound asleep. Potential for some heavy rainfall. That's why the flood watch is in effect. Overall, I think better rain chances are south of our viewing area. Still, though, it warrants at least paying attention, making sure you have those ways to receive alerts overnight, especially if you live in a flood-prone area. Maybe a little bit of some showery activity as you're headed to work early Tuesday morning. I might see a little bit of redevelopment Tuesday afternoon. I wouldn't be shocked if maybe the Weather Service ends up extending the flood watch a little bit later, because this version of Timecast does show a little bit of some heavy rain Tuesday afternoon. Our morning meteorologist Jeremiah Stewart will have the latest on that early Tuesday morning. By Tuesday evening, that activity looks to dissipate. Might see a little bit of activity Tuesday night. Wednesday is looking to be a dry day, and that is certainly some fantastic news because July so far has been a very wet month. We've seen 5 2/28 of an inch recorded at San Angelo Mathis Airport. And that might not sound like a lot, but that's actually the wettest July to date on record. And normally by this point in July, we've only seen a little over half an inch of rain. So definitely a surplus in the Concho Valley, not as drastic as a surplus, but one nonetheless. In Abilene so far has seen 2 2/2 of an inch. And typically by this point in July, we've only recorded just under an inch at Abilene Regional Airport. No rain right now for folks in the Key City, just a little bit of some cloud cover. Sitting at 80 degrees on this kind of muggy Monday evening, although not as muggy as we have been. The humidity level is just a little bit lower. 76 right now, San Angelo, 77 for you in Junction. Have any outdoor plans like going to the pool Tuesday afternoon? Keep in mind we do have storm chances around. The rain will keep temperatures not as hot as they could be, about 81 degrees 4 p.m., 83 degrees at the 6 p.m. hour, and I'm officially forecasting a high of 87 degrees tomorrow in San Angelo. Those who stay dry, which will be about 80% of us, those who stay dry, expect those temperatures to be a little warmer. Those who see rain, expect those temperatures to be a little lower. Waking up tomorrow morning, 70. Notice the first half of your Tuesday is red. That's that weather impact alert due to the flood watch. Just make sure you're staying weather aware. High of 91 for your Wednesday, a 10% chance of rain. And then notice we stay dry for the rest of the 7-day forecast. We'll be warming up by next week. High of 98 next Sunday in the Key City. So make sure you stay cool. Just a couple more days of the potential for heavy rainfall. You can find the latest weather forecast online and on social media. Bert?